Hey, ABOD, and welcome to This For That. Now, I love junk food as much as the next bloke. Unfortunately, sometimes I indulge more than I should, and then I undo all that hard work. So I thought, wouldn't it be really good if there was some actual replacements, some genuine substitutes for our favorite junk food that we have? Surely we can have our cake and eat it too. Now, I'm not talking about substitutes like, why don't you just have an apple instead or some carrots? I'm talking about the real replacement to the food that we love. So join me as I go in search of some genuine junk food hacks so that it's not a minute on the lips, a lifetime on the hips. You with me? Your finger is getting very, very tired and it's making its way to the subscribe button. You also already like this video, so make sure you hit the like button. And so you don't miss any future videos, hit the bell icon. Now, let's get started. Surely not. It is too. Who would have thought? What are the odds of the ice cream truck coming around as we're doing this video? I'll be right back. Look what they had. FROPRO, the Fit Scoop. This one's packed with a whole bunch of protein, so I thought it only makes sense to see if we can replace our normal ice cream with a protein ice cream. This one is actually made in Australia. Put the actual website up to the side. Completely Australian made, and have a bunch of different flavors. This one is chocolate. There's a whole bunch of other range as well. For example, dairy free. There's also some new bars that I've tried. They're not packed with protein, so that's why I thought it would make a lot more sense to use this particular one. At 81 calories per serve. Good part about this one is if you ate the whole tub, it would work out to be 400 calories. So even if you did indulge in the whole thing, it's still not going to blow you out of the water. The only downfall to this actual ice cream is that it is quite pricey at $7.50, which is actually a price drop for the tub for essentially what's half a litre. I mean, you can get, a 1 litre, connoisseur or something like that for, $5. So in terms of value for money, it's not there. Yeah, you could fit it into your macros and have, a little bit of ice cream, but who's gonna have a little bit of ice cream? What normal human can stop it? One serve, which is 1 scoop. So like I said, if you literally had half of this tub, it would literally work out to be about 200 calories. Just to put that into perspective, if people don't have a concept of calories, is literally 2/3 of a cheeseburger. If you ate the whole tub, it would be literally just 1 cheeseburger and a couple bites of another one. So it's really not that bad. Even if you used it as a reward after a big gym session and ate the whole tub, you'd be consuming 35 grams of protein because there's 7 grams of protein in each single serve. So just that logic alone, it's not such a bad idea. Where I'm going to score it down in points is certainly going to be price. If you can afford it, yeah, it's a great substitute to have in your freezer at any given point. What about the taste? Let's do an unboxing video of ice cream. What a great idea. One sec. Ooh. Looks like ice cream. Does it taste like ice cream? It's not bad. You'd expect it to be grainy. It's not. It's actually quite smooth. How does it compare to normal chocolate ice cream? It's not as creamy as, like a dairy sort of an ice cream would be, packed full of sugar, because this actually uses stevia as its sugar base, which is why it's quite low. And then obviously they supplement it with some protein powder, I'm assuming. In terms of taste, you could definitely enjoy this in lieu of normal ice cream. 7 or 8 out of 10. With that, I actually did try the salted caramel and the peanut butter one. It wasn't for me, but if you like those flavors, I'm gonna give it the nod of approval. The other thing I'm gonna score it down for is definitely gonna be price, but it's definitely up there in terms of a replacement or substitute. If you ate this instead of ice cream, you wouldn't undo all that hard work. So big tick. It's a little reward every now and again. Keep it in your freezer. Eat it every now and again when you really have a craving for ice cream. So I hope you'll keep joining me as we find those little hacks to our favorite junk food. So make sure you subscribe and I'll catch you on the other side. I'm out.